Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we going to see the amazing bridges at Jurong Lake Gardens in Singapore. The White Rainbow Bridge is a prominent and iconic feature of the Chinese garden within Jurong Lake Gardens in Singapore. This elegant structure serves as the main entrance to the Chinese garden, connecting it to the lakeside garden across Jurong Lake. The White Rainbow Bridge is a 13-arch structure inspired by the 17-arch bridge at Beijing's Summer Palace. Its design reflects traditional Chinese architectural aesthetics, featuring white stone arches that gracefully span the lake, creating a picturesque and harmonious landscape. The bridge not only provides access to the garden but also symbolizes the cultural and historical connections between Singapore and Chinese heritage. The White Rainbow Bridge, constructed in 1975, the White Rainbow Bridge has been a central element of the Chinese garden since its inception. It was designed by Taiwanese architect Yuan Chenyu, who envisioned the garden as a representation of northern Chinese imperial architecture from the Song dynasty period. Crossing the White Rainbow Bridge offers visitors a serene transition from the bustling urban environment to the tranquil settings of the Chinese garden. The bridge leads directly to the Grand Arch, a majestic gateway that marks the entrance to the garden's inner sanctum. From there, visitors can explore various attractions, including the Cloud Pagoda, Twin Pagodas, Bonsai Garden, and the Stone Boat and Tea Pavilion. The White Rainbow Bridge remains a beloved landmark, offering both aesthetic beauty and a tangible link to the rich tapestry of Chinese cultural traditions. Next we going to see Moonrise Bridge. It's next to Bonsai Garden at Chinese Garden, linked to Japanese Garden. The Moonrise Bridge at Jurong Lake Gardens is a scenic pedestrian bridge that connects the Chinese Garden to the Japanese Garden. Along with the Double Beauty Bridge, it serves as one of the key connectors between these two culturally distinct landscapes. The Moonrise Bridge offers visitors a seamless transition from the ornate, imperial-inspired architecture of the Chinese Garden to the minimalist, tranquil design of the Japanese Garden. As you cross, you'll be treated to panoramic views of Jurong Lake and the surrounding gardens, making it a popular spot for photography and leisurely walks. The name Moonrise Bridge evokes a sense of serenity and natural beauty, aligning with the peaceful ambience of the Japanese Garden. The bridge's design complements the surrounding landscapes, enhancing the overall aesthetic and providing a harmonious link between the two gardens. Visitors can access the Moonrise Bridge from either the Chinese Garden or the Japanese Garden. It's a short, pleasant walk that allows you to experience the unique features of both gardens in a single visit. Whether you're exploring the intricate pagodas and pavilions of the Chinese Garden or the serene water features and plantings of the Japanese Garden, the Moonrise Bridge offers a memorable passage between these two captivating spaces. Next we going to see Double Beauty Bridge next to Silver Moon Terrace at Japanese Garden linked to Chinese Garden. The Bridge of Double Beauty is a picturesque structure within Jurong Lake Gardens in Singapore, serving as a link between the Chinese Garden and the Japanese Garden. Constructed in 1989, this bridge symbolizes the harmonious connection between two distinct cultural landscapes. Designed to reflect traditional Chinese architectural aesthetics, the Bridge of Double Beauty features graceful curves and ornate details that complement the serene surroundings of both gardens. Its construction was part of a broader initiative to enhance the accessibility and unity of the gardens, allowing visitors to seamlessly transition between the vibrant, imperial-inspired Chinese garden and the tranquil, minimalist Japanese garden. The bridge not only facilitates physical connectivity but also represents the blending of cultural philosophies and artistic expressions. The Chinese Garden, with its pagodas, stone bridges, and intricate landscaping, embodies the grandeur of northern Chinese imperial gardens. In contrast, the Japanese Garden offers a meditative experience with its emphasis on simplicity, natural elements, and contemplative spaces. The Bridge of Double Beauty stands as a testament to Singapore's multicultural heritage and its commitment to preserving and celebrating diverse traditions. In recent years, Jurong Lake Gardens underwent significant rejuvenation efforts to enhance its ecological sustainability and visitor experience. While some modern structures have been introduced, care has been taken to preserve the historical and cultural integrity of landmarks like the Bridge of Double Beauty. The bridge continues to be a favorite spot for photography, leisurely walks, and as a symbolic passage between two rich cultural narratives. Visitors to Jurong Lake Gardens can experience the unique charm of the Bridge of Double Beauty, appreciating its role in uniting diverse landscapes and its embodiment of Singapore's harmonious multicultural identity. Did I miss anything? If you know more about amazing bridges at Jurong Lake Gardens in Singapore, please let me know in the comment. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. It really helps me out. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be notified of my latest uploads. Thanks for watching.